Sharad Pawar says no need for a special parliament session. Sharad Pawar has said, and I quote him here first, do not discuss sensitive issues in public. This is huge. Remember, at a time when there has been a demand with regard to a special parliament session, especially with regard to Operation Sindoor, and that there could be a discussion and details that should come out on that. Opposition MPs had been seeking, especially the Congress party, with regard to a special parliament session. We are told that one of their top allies, a veteran clearly in political life, Sharad Pawar of the NCP has said, I quote him here first, there is no need for such a special session. I have no objection to a special session, but since the matter is extremely sensitive and an open discussion on it cannot be held. Similar incidents have occurred earlier as well in the past. The Defence Minister had called me, a few others as well, to explain what happened, but such matters should not be spoken about publicly. Now, this is as a differing opinion to what other opposition leaders, especially from the Congress party, have had to say, but a huge statement nevertheless from Sharad Pawar. Omkar Bable joining me from Pune. Omkar, good morning. Tell me more about what Sharad Pawar has said and why.
Well, Mr. Pawar is celebrating his 26th Foundation Day in Pune. In the same program, he inaugurated his special edition of the magazine, in which he has written that there is no need of a special session on Operation Sindoor, because as per the Pawar, the whole operation was sensitive, the incident was sensitive, and that is why there should not be any need, or there should not be any need of a special session on the Sindoor. And on the other hand, especially when the Congress and other opposition leaders, they are demanding special session, they want extra information and the brief and the detailed information by the government on the same operation. And on the other hand, where the Pawar is contradicting the demand of opposition. So again, we can see Pawar has a different stand on the same issue, which opposition is not holding the same stand. They want special session, especially Rahul Gandhi and the Congress leaders. They all are demanding special session on the same issue. And now Pawar, before that he never spoke about it, but on the same occasion, like when he's celebrating his 26th Foundation Day, Pawar has cleared that there should not be any need, or there could not be held any kind of special session by the central government.
So, Omkar, also tell me this, what does this mean? Because for what we know now, the Congress party had been asking for the special session. There were some other parties as well. But when the NCP leader comes forth to say otherwise, do you think that could perhaps put the opposition's demand as well on the back burner? Because eventually they'll need support to demand for a special session as much.
Well, it is very interesting, because since the Lok Sabha election, rather before that, Pawar has always been the lubricant in all India alliance. But now, after Operation Sindoor, Pawar had his own contradictory stands. Like when Sanjay Raut countered him, Sanjay Raut wanted someone to send with the Supriya Suez delegation, which was out of India, and all delegations of the Member of Parliament, they were sending message to the world, they were clearing the side of India. But in the same issue, even Pawar contradicted Mr. Sanjay Raut by saying the Raut must understand how international issues supposed to handle. And again, when opposition like a major party Congress is demanding, Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition, is demanding special session, Pawar is again contradicting, he's actually contradicting all those his alliance members and also party members.
All right, Omkar, keep tracking all the latest on that. Thank you very much for now. So what would it mean now that Sharad Pawar has said no need for a special session, too sensitive a matter to be spoken out publicly?